Inside the world's biggest quail egg factory, where millions of eggs are produced every day.
Before sunrise touches the world, an invisible giant is already awake. Hidden behind steel walls, a massive machine comes to life. Every journey begins with a single, fragile shell. Here, millions of lives move together in one relentless rhythm. Here, time is measured not in hours, but in eggs per minute.
This is the world behind every quail egg. Vast, unseen, and always moving.
Here, biology and machinery exist as one system.
Efficiency here is built upward, not outward. Nothing here is left to chance, not even the air. At this scale, every bird matters. This is scale beyond imagination. Quail eggs may be small, but their demand is global.
Compared to chickens, quails do more, with less.
They appear everywhere, often without notice.
Demand keeps rising, and production races to keep pace. Behind every small egg is a massive business. Every gram of feed arrives by calculation, not instinct. Even water is measured down to the milliliter. This is the brain controlling millions of lives. Here, even the smallest error has consequences. This is farming redefined, driven not by instinct, but by data. This is where every egg begins its journey. From this point on, machines take over. Speed becomes essential and unavoidable. This system does not sleep. Ahead lies the test that every egg must pass. Beyond this point, nothing is left to chance.
Here, movement never pauses.
Thousands quickly become millions. Speed means nothing without protection. From this point on, no human hands are needed. In this factory, the flow never ends. In this factory, the flow never ends. Quail eggs are delicate by nature. Speed keeps production alive, but risk grows with it. Engineering stands between speed and destruction. Engineering stands between speed and destruction.
Here, 1% failure is unacceptable.
This factory survives by mastering balance. Before an egg can be sold, it must be cleaned.
Too hot, and the shell weakens. Too cold, and bacteria survive.
No surface is left untouched.
Sanitization happens faster than the eye can see.
Clean, dry, and ready for inspection. From this moment on, the egg belongs to the market. Now, every egg is watched. Cracks invisible to humans are instantly revealed. Machines decide faster than thought. There is no hesitation.
Perfection continues. Everything else disappears.
In this factory, quality is absolute. Here, humans no longer run the process. They observe it. Hands once gathered eggs. Now, eyes watch data. One technician now manages what once required hundreds. Instinct has been replaced by alerts.
Maintenance has replaced manual work.
This is where value is decided. Weight determines worth. Grading considers more than just weight. Uniformity defines quality. One path leads to premium value. A story and happy. Efficiency means nothing goes unused. What nature makes uneven, machines perfect. What nature makes uneven, machines perfect. Now, speed becomes everything.
Protection is applied in seconds.
There is no room for misalignment. Every label tells a destination story. From here, the market awaits. Cold becomes the final guardian of freshness. Freshness depends on balance. In silence, value is preserved. Timing protects both profit and quality. Cold, silent, and perfectly controlled. This is where the factory meets the world. A vast network keeps eggs moving. Some of these eggs will cross oceans. From one place, food reaches the world.
One delay here affects thousands of miles.
This factory feeds a global network.
Perfection is never free.
Every second consumes power. Every loss is measured.
Efficiency decides survival.
Failure is not an option.
This is the true cost of perfection.
At this scale, efficiency is no longer the only question.
Progress brings questions no system can solve.
Adaptation is no longer optional. Not every answer can be calculated. The future demands responsibility. Energy is no longer unlimited. Sustainability begins with reduction. The future demands better design.
Change determines survival. Few people ever see where their food truly comes from.
What comes next will define everything. What took months to produce is consumed in minutes. We rarely see the systems that feed us.
Every choice carries responsibility.
This is more than an egg.
Even when a young factory worker leaves, the system continues.
From millions to one.
This system was built to serve appetite.
And yet, it touches everyone. The story ends here. Inside the world's largest quail egg factory,